Alrighty, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you're reading the title, you guys know exactly what we're going to be talking about. That's going to be about XRP, of course. If you guys are enjoying these XRP videos, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button. But now let's get right into it. So, looking across the market right now, you are seeing some coins actually going into the green over the course of the last, I would say, 1 hour. To be specific, if I were to show you guys the hourly time frame, you're seeing a lot of green across the board right now. Nothing too major, but the market is seeing a little bit of a move towards the upside because Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a bounce. So we'll definitely take that. But as far as XRP's price is concerned on the daily time frame, it's down about 2.8%. And again, there's so much there's so much like FUD at the same time, because of course that lawsuit in a way is over now, because Ripple is to pay $125 to the SEC, $125 million. I keep forgetting the million part, to the SEC, and this is a huge milestone. But despite that massive milestone, you're not seeing the price going crazy, and this has a lot of people talking in the community. Some people understand why, some people completely don't, and I'm going to share my personal thoughts with you guys regarding that. And considering that, I'm going to analyze the charts and kind of paint a picture as to what I could be expecting. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. As always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price, 58.65 cents. That's the price of XRP. Down about 2.6% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at almost $33 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $1.7 billion. And considering, how hyped XRP as a project itself is, of course, it has been through so much over the course of the last 4 years, I think almost 5 years, which is absolutely insane to think of. Has been through a lot, but despite that, it still remains in the top 7. But the question is, why is XRP's volume not going through the roof after that announcement? My personal projection regarding that is because, guess what? Actually, let's hold off until I pull out the charts, and that's when I will explain as to why I think that's the case. So looking at the dominance index, this again is one of the most important catalyst behind what's happening with altcoins. And yes, XRP is going to be impacted by it as well. So you have been pretty much seeing the Bitcoin dominance increasing day by day. Pretty much look at it from this way: a lot of money right now is flowing into Bitcoin rather than altcoins, which includes XRP. Reason why? Maybe people think that Bitcoin is going to crack past an all-time high, and obviously we saw the massive flash crash occurring due to the global financial market, the scares that we saw. But you're seeing the market rebounding really quick. That's what's happening right now. So dominance index continuing to go towards the upside. You're not seeing this thing taking a break, and if this continues to go up, when you do see more volatility within the price of Bitcoin, do expect altcoins to be impacted way more. And let's give Bitcoin a refresh live just to take a look at what's happening, so you can see this for yourself. Bitcoin is sitting at $60,800, and obviously it's back above the psychological 60K support. It closed its daily candle above that range 2 days in a row, so we'll definitely take that. So that's good, of course. But now let's take a look at XRP. So going back to what I said, there's obviously a lot of questions regarding why are you not seeing the explosive moves? Why are we not seeing something like July of last year, where you saw the price of XRP going into, the 78.6 fib zone? And I know a lot of people are going to come in and make an argument, well, Crypto ZX, back then, the bear market was still going on. So why is this not happening? Number one, you need to understand where the dominance index is sitting at right now. A lot of momentum is on Bitcoin side, and on top of that, go watch again. When it comes to XRP content, I'm not one of the biggest creators, it's just a reality, but you can go watch some of my videos. A lot of people talk about some unrealistic price targets about XRP. You guys know I don't focus on that. We take it one step at a time, and we take it from there. One thing I've been emphasizing about XRP is the way it's holding, and you can go literally watch any of my most recent updates on XRP. Even before this, settlement happen. I've been saying that, the way XRP is holding right now, usually we don't tend to see this type of momentum, but XRP was showing beautiful, beautiful momentum. And pretty much look at it from this point of view. You are looking at XRP not only sitting above, that psychological key resistance, of course, playing as a level of support, but, we almost retested our, previous month's high, and that's after this significant pullback. And look at this, guys. If you picked it up on August the 2nd, I'm sorry, the August 5th, well, if you picked up this dip, you saw XRP going up 50%, a 50% increase for one of the biggest assets in the crypto space. So it did react, believe it or not, it reacted, to that news itself. But a lot of people still are uncertain about altcoins, and I do believe, there's a massive battle between the bulls and the bears that's really going on right now. So pay very close attention to the dominance index, but the fact that it's above this key support line speaks for itself. Obviously, you do have significant amount of resistance at the same time now around the 66 cents mark, which we actually retested just this month. We're not talking about last month, we're talking about this month. And if that is able to break out, guys, a 78.6 Fibonacci retracement, could be retested once again. And this is where your eyes should be right now. This blue level, the significance of this blue level is being slept on quite a bit, and you shouldn't be sleeping on this. And first and foremost, let's actually measure it to see how far that is. That's a 21% move towards the upside. And the importance of this zone is because of the fact that, that was our yearly high. You can see this for yourself. Our yearly high was around the 74.2 cents. And the most important thing is, we haven't seen this key resistance breaking out, especially around the 79 cents, pretty much since July 15th. Now that a lot of things are clearing up for XRP, there is going to come a time where you do see the bulls taking in charge of XRP and start seeing the price getting into the 78.6. But pretty much, if you are an XRP holder, you want to be looking at XRP is pretty much wanting to have the price of XRP getting back to this blue zone as soon as possible, because this right here, believe it or not, will trigger a lot of eyes on XRP and can actually bring in that FOMO factor. But yeah, the real fireworks, if that's what you're looking out for, that's above this key resistance at 78 cents. I'm not a guy who's going to come here and sit and talk about $10 price targets or $5 price targets for all-time highs. Let's take it one step at a time. I really think that, XRP starts moving, quite fast once it makes its way back above this key resistance. Till then, we might see a little bit of choppy levels. We've seen that over the course of the last, you can pretty much see last, I would say, year and a half, since obviously breaking above this key resistance, because people tend to forget, we haven't seen this key resistance at 58 cents being broken out of pretty much for the first time until July of last year. People tend to forget that. So, I'm looking at it from this point of view, but overall, great things despite, the market dominance increasing and altcoins lagging. I'm liking what I'm seeing with XRP. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.